Alright, y'all. We about to do fried green tomatoes. I got 6 green tomatoes right there. How y'all doing today? Wonderful and blessed, I hope, like myself. So yeah, we doing fried green tomatoes with a bacon and Tasso cream sauce. So here go my tomato, whatever you want to call it. And I'm going to cut mine kind of thick. So let's see, can the blind man work this knife? I know I can. Cut that first piece off right there. Now, I want them thick. I'm going to judge with my hand. Probably a ½ inch. Let me see, I got enough. Probably right there. I'm saying a ½ inch. But let me see. Just want to make sure I got it right. Let me see if that be thick enough. I think that'll be thick enough, y'all. Oh, that's too thick there. That's too thick. Well, let me see, can I make a thinner one? Hold up. I would have sliced it with my slicer, but my slicer sliced them too thin. Let me go right here, maybe. Let's see, right here. Let me see if this is a good slice. This a good slice. Let's see. Yeah, that's a good slice. All right. Let me cut them up. All right, there go my tomatoes sliced up. Some might have turned red on me. I don't know. I think they're green. If they not, they're going to be green. All right. I'm going to put this in the fridge because I'm going to do my cream sauce first. And we'll fry these last. So I'm going to put these in the fridge right quick. All right, y'all. I'm about to make my sauce. Now, there's nothing healthy about this sauce. Y'all know us Louisiana people, we eat healthy, then we don't eat healthy. So, this is 6 strips of bacon right here. I'm about to put this 6 strips of bacon in the oven. So we need some of that bacon fat. I'm gonna put this in front of y'all today, okay? So I got my bacon in the oven. Now what else I got here? Okay, let me see here. Y'all bear with me. I got some Tasso right here. So I got some Tasso diced up in little pieces. So I got some Tasso. I got 3/4 cups of heavy whipping cream. I got 3/4 cup of white wine. Dry white wine. I got me some Cajun seasoning here. I don't know who name on there. Somebody. Somebody. I got some, I got a jalapeno pepper cut up. I got about 1 stalk of celery. I got about 1/4 of onion. What else I got over here? I got about 4 tablespoons of butter. And is that all I got right here? I think that's it. Okay, we're gonna wait on that bacon because I need that bacon fat. All right. All right. Hot bacon coming through. Hot applewood bacon coming through. Well, make sure I don't burn myself with my blind tail at. Okay, there go my pot. So I want to pour that bacon grease. Make sure I got it. I'm going to pour that bacon grease in here.
Facebook, no. Nancy N. Armstrong is live now. Attachment.
So I'm pouring my bacon grease in this pot. I need that grease. Because we are doing a bacon and Tasso cream sauce. All right. Drain all this grease in this pot. That bacon grease in the pot, y'all. I see my bacon good and crispy. This is some applewood bacon. I'm about to crunch it up right quick. All right, y'all. Got that bacon grease heating back up. Let's put these onions in there. My onions. We're going to make a good sauce for these fried green tomatoes. I know I'm all about the flavor. Let's put some green onions in there. All right. Let's put my celery in there. Let's put my jalapeno peppers in there. All right. All right, been about 5 minutes. Let's add this garlic, about 3 cloves of garlic in here. Y'all know how I do. Y'all know when that garlic hit that bacon grease. Oh my goodness, that smell. I love it. All right, I'm gonna add my Tasso in here too, because I want to fry down my Tasso a little bit. So, let me fry down my diced pieces of Tasso. Add that in the pot, so I can get some good flavor out of there. Right, I'm about to add about half of my butter now. So I'm gonna add half of it right now. Half of my butter. Okay, been about 3 minutes. I'm about to add this 2 cups of flour. Not 2 cups, y'all know what I mean. 2 tablespoons. 2 tablespoons of flour. Let this little blonde roux get in here right quick. I don't want to cook it too much. Alright, now let's put in that 3/4 cups of white wine. I love making a sauce. I love putting white wine in my sauce. So let's put that in here. Yeah, buddy. That is it. So while the alcohol is burning off that wine, let's go and add a tablespoon of your favorite Cajun seasoning. Gonna let all this alcohol cook off of here. I can smell when it's out. Also, let me put about a teaspoon of my favorite seasoning, which is the Greek Calendar seasoning. So sprinkle that in there. Now let's add my 3/4 cups of where is it? What did I do with it? 3/4 cup of my heavy whipping cream. There we go. Stir that in there. Oh, I can't wait to fry the tomatoes now so this can go on top of it. I ain't gonna lie, y'all, it tastes good. Just like it, I just taste it. But I'm gonna put me a pinch, just a pinch. Let me grab a pinch. Let me see, put a pinch in my hand. I wanna add a pinch of kosher salt, not that much. A pinch of kosher salt. And I wanna add me a pinch. I'm saying a pinch, but about yeah, that's about a half a teaspoon. Half a teaspoon of black pepper. So I want to add that in there, just to give it another little pop. All right, and that's all the seasoning we're gonna put in there. Now all we gotta do is add the bacon back to it. Let it simmer a little bit, and that's what's gonna go on now with tomatoes. Tasso bacon cream sauce. Alright y'all, you can add the rest of your butter in there. When you get to this stage right here, add your other 2 tablespoons of butter. So, stir that butter in there. Alright y'all, it has simmered down the thickness that I want. Now I'm about to go and add my applewood bacon into there. Add it in there. Add it in there. There we go. All right. There go my sauce, y'all. Now let's fry these tomatoes. All right, for the finale, there we go. See? That bacon and toss on there, and it's kind of thick. All right. We'll put down on top that on each one of our fried tomatoes in. Gonna be a good appetizer, baby. All right. All right, fried green tomatoes. Y'all see me had them cut up. I got me some flour in this bowl right here. So the first thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take a tomato. I wanna dip it in that flour. So dip in this flour like this. Put in the flour, and I'm gonna put it on my rack over here. So like that. Put it on this rack. Put it on the rack right there. Get another one. Dip it in this flour. Now I'm gonna leave it on this rack for about 10 minutes. All right, be right back. All right, y'all, see there? See my tomatoes? See, I got them coated in flour. So I'm gonna let them set to the side for about 10 minutes. Gonna let that flour sit on there. Now, let's get ready to make our our wash. So we're gonna put in there 1 cup right here. Make sure I'm in the camera. Make sure I'm right here. I got 1 cup of buttermilk. 1 cup of buttermilk. And about to pop in there 1 egg. So 1 cup of buttermilk and 1 egg. Get my whisk and whisk that up. Let me add another egg. I'm sorry. I have to go look. I have to remember. 2 eggs, 1 cup buttermilk. Right now, you're gonna do your batter. I use 1 and 1. 1 cup of cornmeal. I use 1 cup of flour. This is the time to season your stuff. I use about a tablespoon of Cajun seasoning. I use about a teaspoon of kosher salt, and I use about I can put my spoon in here. I use about a teaspoon of black pepper. All right, mix this up. This is what the outside of your green tomato gonna taste like. Also, to let y'all know, I added a 1/2 cup of breadcrumbs in my cornmeal and flour too. So I'm gonna take the tomato, dip it in the egg wash. Wait a minute. So dip it in the egg like that. Put it over here in my mix. Coat it real good. Y'all can see me. Coat it real good. All right. And there we go. Y'all see it? Put it back on this tray right here. So I keep my grease up. Let me do 1 more. Put it in this egg wash. Like that. Put it in here. Braid it up. And press it in there. Press it in there good. All right. Put it right. Right, y'all, got my cast iron skillet heating up. I got my tomatoes to the left. I got me a cooling rack with some paper towels to the over here, because I'm not gonna let them put on. I'm not gonna put them on paper towels because I don't want them to get soggy. So let me let my that's 4 cups of oil heating up, and I'll be back. Here's my grease ready, y'all. Oh yeah, I think it's there. All right, y'all. Put my little silicone going handle on my skillet. All right, let's put these tomatoes in. I think I'm gonna put 5 at a time. Okay, let me see. 1, 2, 3, 4. I think I'm gonna put that 5th one in. Maybe right here. All right. I'm gonna let them fry like 3 minutes at a time. So let me set my timer. All right. All right. So I'm gonna let them go for 3 minutes at a time. 3 minutes on one side, 3 minutes on the other side, then take it out. What y'all? I may not have to flip it at all. I think I got enough oil. I may not have to flip them. Yeah, I'm gonna flip them. All right, they've been in for 6 minutes. I'm about to take them out. If I can catch it with these tongs. There we go. Put them over in my rack. As y'all know, I don't like working with hot grease, Lord. I don't like to work with hot grease. But I'm not afraid of anything, so. All right, let me take them out and put the next batch in. let's put the next batch. Let's put 5 more. 1, 2, 3, 4. Find another one. Let's see. Tell me what blind folks can't do. 5. There we go. So they go in for 6 minutes. All right, time to take this batch out. If I can grab them. See, this like trying to catch a fish without a hook. Shit, I can't grab. There we go. All right, there go my fried green tomatoes. Hope y'all can see them. I bumped my phone earlier, so I don't know if I'm in the camera or not. But I'm gonna go from right here, just in case I bump the camera this far. Then I'm gonna go up like this. Y'all see them? There they go. I sprinkled a little seasoned salt on them. Now I'm about to plate them up and put our good bacon Tasso cream sauce on top. All right. All right, y'all. There go my fried green tomatoes with the Tasso and bacon cream sauce on top. So the sauce is kind of thick. That's why I like it thick, so it won't fall off the tomato when I bite it. And I got me some fresh green onion tops on there. So, let's taste it, y'all, while it's still hot. All right, let's taste these fried green tomatoes. But first, let's open up a good Budweiser. Yeah. Budweiser time. Oh, that's strong. All right. Let's get one of these fried green tomatoes with the bacon and the Tasso cream on it. Damn, I make good food. Are there any more blind people cooking out there like this? If so, let me know so we can collaborate on something together. Oh my goodness, y'all. This is a perfect appetizer. Oh, okay. Y'all. Y'all gotta make some of this. Well, I'm not gonna hold y'all long. I'm just gonna open my eyes up. Y'all can see my eyes? Well, just as long as y'all can see my food. And go make it. I'm telling y'all. This be so good. Well, y'all see me make it? Go make you some. Fried green tomatoes with a bacon Tasso cream sauce. Finger looking good. Bye.